Welcome to City Retreat. In today's episode, we will be exploring one of the most beautiful natural wonders in the world, Niagara Falls. Located in Ontario, Canada, Niagara Falls is a destination that attracts millions of visitors each year. From the awe-inspiring waterfalls to the lush surroundings, there's no shortage of reasons why this destination is a must-visit for any traveler. Join me as we explore the top 10 things to do at Niagara Falls. Maid of the Mist Boat Tour. Starting our list with one of the most popular things to do at Niagara Falls, the Maid of the Mist Boat Tour. This tour takes you right up to the base of the waterfalls, providing a truly immersive experience of the falls. Journey Behind the Falls. For a unique view of the falls, be sure to check out Journey Behind the Falls. This attraction takes you through tunnels behind the waterfall, giving you an up-close and personal experience of the power of Niagara Falls. Niagara SkyWheel. For those looking for a more relaxed experience, the Niagara SkyWheel is a must-visit. This 175-foot-high Ferris wheel provides stunning views of the surrounding area, including the waterfalls. Niagara on the Lake. Niagara on the Lake is a picturesque town located just a short drive away from Niagara Falls. Known for its beautiful architecture and vineyards, this charming town is the perfect place to explore and relax. Skylon Tower. The Skylon Tower is a popular attraction in Niagara Falls, offering breathtaking views of the falls and the surrounding area from its observation deck. Be sure to also check out the revolving dining room for a unique dining experience. Niagara Falls State Park. For those on the American side of Niagara Falls, the Niagara Falls State Park is a must-visit. This park offers stunning views of the falls and provides ample opportunity for hiking and exploring the surrounding nature. Niagara Falls Illumination. At night, the falls are illuminated in a stunning display of colorful lights. Be sure to catch this nightly show for a truly unforgettable experience. Niagara Parks Botanical Gardens. For those looking to escape the crowds and get in touch with nature, the Niagara Parks Botanical Gardens is a must-visit. This garden is home to a variety of beautiful flora and fauna, as well as a butterfly conservatory. Whirlpool Aero Car. For a unique experience, take a ride on the Whirlpool Aero Car. This cable car takes you over the Niagara Whirlpool for stunning views of the surrounding area. Niagara Falls Helicopter Tour. For the ultimate view of Niagara Falls, take a helicopter tour. This tour provides breathtaking views of the falls and the surrounding area from above. And that concludes our list of the top 10 things to do at Niagara Falls. With its stunning natural beauty and wide array of activities, Niagara Falls is a destination that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll see you in the next episode of City Retreat.